Welcome to this technical guide on the Leyre Lamarque Orgoite-Conga 3390. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's address the issue at hand. If your Leyre Lamarque Orgoite-Conga 3390 isn't recognizing the laser, it can be quite frustrating. This problem usually arises due to a malfunctioning laser component, which can prevent your device from working properly. If left unaddressed, it may lead to further complications and could even render your device unusable. To perform this repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, tweezers, and a replacement laser component. First, ensure your device is switched off and unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Begin by carefully prying open the casing of your Orgoite-Conga 3390 using the flathead screwdriver. Gently work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. Once you have access to the internal components, locate the laser assembly. This is typically situated near the optical drive. You might notice some screws holding it in place. These are usually small Phillips screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, ensuring you keep them safe as you will need them later. After removing the screws, gently lift the laser assembly out of its housing. Be cautious with any cables that may be attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, disconnect any cables attached to the laser. You can use tweezers to gently pull the connectors apart. It's important to handle these components delicately to avoid damaging them. Now, take your replacement laser component and carefully attach it in place, ensuring all connectors are firmly secured. Once everything is connected, place the laser assembly back into its original position and reinsert the screws you previously removed. Tighten them just enough to secure the assembly without over-tightening, as this could cause damage. Finally, reassemble the casing of your Orgoite-Conga 3390, making sure all clips are securely in place. Once closed, plug in your device and power it on to check if the laser is now functioning correctly. If it is, congratulations! You have successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your device is well maintained and kept clean. Regularly check for any dust or debris that may accumulate around the laser and clean it gently with a soft cloth. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.